Clean stay with great breakfast, very convenient for us as it is located only 5 minutes drive away from the pier to take a ferry to Koh Samui. Chicken basil stir fry and boiled pork rice for breakfast were excellent. Great stop. Cute hotel with good free breakfast. Just stayed for a night on the way to the islands, but the location was ideal for us, plus a 7-Eleven right down the road. Great place. This hotel is very good. It is beautiful. It has large rooms, friendly staff, and it's located very close to a nice night market and other useful services in town. Recommended. One night stay. Good hotel for the price. Clean, good aircon. We stayed here before getting a boat from the pier. Breakfast was decent. Excellent, nice and clean stay, great breakfast, a bit outside of the city center.